My name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to effectively use the client page in your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation menu, select the Client tab. On the client page, you will see all your clients in a tiled representation. On this page, you can add or import clients, as well as sort and search. On the right-hand side of the page, you will see the number of clients you have. This includes those who have pending invitations and clients who have not yet been invited. So here's a pending invitation and one that has not yet been invited. I have a total of 26 clients. By selecting the triangle next to the number of clients will allow you to sort. So by clicking on this triangle, I can sort by appointment dates, contract end date, the name, unread messages count, unpaid invoices, inactive clients, pending invitations, and not yet invited. So for example, inactive clients, it will show you your inactive clients here. And it's kind of highlighted in gray or kind of grayed out. You can sort by appointment dates. I don't really have any appointments right now. Contract end dates. You can sort any number of ways. I usually have it sorted by name. So lastly is the search button. If you're looking for a particular client, you can tap in their name and it will bring up tiles for you to select. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.